What's up, guys? So today we have the Hunter original ceiling fan. It's been so long since I got it. I got it like 2 years ago, and I haven't been able to install it because the ceilings in our old house sucked, and the fan barn, or the boards in them. But yeah, after 2 long years, we finally get to put it up and test it. So yeah, start it up and low. It kind of wobbles. It's up in the forever fan spot. And I haven't decided yet if I should keep this up or put the forever fan back up. This thing is like one of the most, like, this thing blows so much air on high. As you can see, it's wobbling right now. Alright, we'll put it to medium. Like, this would be high on a different fan. Actually, the Mayfair is sitting right here. Let me turn that on high. So the Mayfair is a little faster than medium on the Hunter original. I'm sorry, I wish I could show you guys, but my phone camera sucks, so I have to like adjust it 10 times to try to get it in focus. This is actually my third take of this video. But I'll try something else. Actually, why am I even testing on the Mayfair? There's a Sonterra over there. Let's turn this on high. Here. One click. See, that looks pretty much the same. I'll leave that as I'll leave the Sonterra on as a demonstration. Then I'll turn this on high. I'm not gonna have this on high for long. That thing is so fast. On the camera, the Sonterra does look a little bit faster, but in real life, you could definitely tell. I'm just gonna stand under this, and then I'm gonna stand under this. Yeah. It's literally blowing the air vent to the left. You can see the air vent shaking. And we'll see who wins in spin down. Here, I'll make it super fair. I'll turn off both fans at the same time. Okay, 3. Okay, it's gonna get a tiny bit dark in here, so. There we go. I think the Sonterra might actually win. The original doesn't have much oil in it. Yeah, that Sonterra is going a little bit faster. But like I said, the original doesn't have much oil. And the Sonterra doesn't even use oil. Yeah, the Sonterra won. But the original was definitely blowing more. Now I gotta wait for the Sonterra to spin down. Alright. So, that was my Hunter original ceiling fan. Hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.